On a share this video. Woo! Can I wash ya before we you all I go? Can I wash something down? Let's see for something. Can I bottle before you will I know. Hashok at the program, Gamana. Had a man and get yeah? Why are you people doing exactly what you are condemning? Yeah? From Goma Deveraho, I saw the live video Okongu Dibia did today. Imagine. Ogechi Okongu Dibia. The answer is no. Ogechi na Oje Park Yafa. Iwola Kago. Jekwapo Ogechi Yafa. Echi ni nekita. Ogechi putakwapo wago. Ndị mmadụ asị, ne. Unu na-achọ okwu. You people are looking for trouble. If ahụ unu eme unu na ọ ya adụ mma, nye ka unu na-eme mmadụ. Yodago. Unu sị na ndo Hello. You know here now, mana ahama afihu anya. Ahama afihu anya na afihum.
Okay. Okay, hello.
Okay. Yeah. I think it's better now.
Can we talk? Can plug up?
We'll talk.
Yeah.
Ono so na J Park ji aka pụọla onwe ndị ụka gbawa mgba. Yeah. Now,
I think it's better now.
Yes, now this guy ji aka pụọla onwe. He has never denied receiving any assistance for you people. Keri punu na chosi punu na drag here to the point. Governor Eziokwu batakwa na the matter. Governor Eziokwu, are you a follower of Matthias? You put out what can them my brother, but them for the sake of just like into Ogechi's way. I have always advised people to always leave emotion and sentiment. And always speak with fact. The fact remains that the a pastor go that pastor made a whole lot of injustice to you. Your case should be against that pastor and not the church. That pastor.
Yes.
So that's exactly the problem. I just want them mad. You have church, shop na church ya he na-eje as they representing that particular thing in our shop in the Christendom. Leave that church, go and seek for the face of God elsewhere. You want to go?
I like a lot. Yeah, I like a lot.
So never make mistake. Your personal experience with your pastor or with the congregation where you are worshiping, you will generalize there the whole Christianity.
And that was,
it is very
was where I made a mistake. Yes.
And the Odroma. Now, why I'm talking about Omen Abu's Eziokwu, I have always said, see what Pundo men and Abai, say because as Ndo men and Abu's Eziokwu, say na abo hando to Matthias. Because Mando men and Abai, they cannot be ridiculed by associating them together with Matthias. So on that particular one, you made a mistake, but I am not here to talk about Christianity or to talk about Omen Abu Eziokwu or to talk about whatever thing. I am here to help you to use my platform to reach out to people na threat mmadu issue to you. Ka owanine we no nuwu. Mana I am assuring you that there is nothing he can do. Nkota na ata ada aboja. I want you to get used to their threat. I want you to get used to their noise. These are a group of people that like making noise without any actions. Do not allow them to intimidate you. You have a reason why you came out. According to you, you came out to speak about so many injustices men are passing through. There are also people who are advocating for injustice women are passing through in marriages. So if you are out to use your platform to lend a voice to some men who are now silently in their marriages, it is not a bad thing. And I understand that that was the main thing that took you to break up the family. Forget the fact that the man who is involved there is a pastor. He is a man. He committed the sin or committed against you, if that is true, out of his own decision. It wasn't the church that sent him. The Bible, in any way in the Bible, condemned the action of that pastor. If it happened, so that pastor is answerable to himself and not the church. Even his congregation cannot answer for his sin. If what you have come out to do is to use your platform to condemn injustice, not minding whichever part. I saw the video you made today where you were tendering apology. You said also that I heard where you talk about pastors and you said not all pastors are bad, but those who are bad among them. You also talked about Nde Omenana and Nde Remefa, except that not all of them are bad, but you are talking about Nde the bad. Nimeha. Do not allow them to intimidate you. That is the only weapon they have. If we can succumb to their intimidation, you will see Eziokwu here. We started seeing it a long time ago. So, again. Ife Governor Eziokwu for record purpose. But I am telling you here, do not allow all those empty noise to deter you. Otherwise, people like us will not be here in this blue app. I am not telling you to join us. I saw your video and I copied your video and I posted your video. I used your video to make a video post, and I never even saw where you posted. You commented on your was it on your you posted it on your page. I am giving you 24 hours to pull down that video you make. How can you make a video without acknowledging you? I did not see it until when somebody tagged me in that video. When I posted the second video, I tagged you on Odo Serial. You kept, because I saw that video na Odo Serial. It was even after I saw that video that I noticed that Ijowa had also posted that video again, posted one of your videos. I posted mine before I saw it that Ijowa a post to go here even before Mama Webia post to you. So them saying that Nando Kapuro, that is very ridiculous. It is ridiculous. Saying that Nando Kapuro, for what? They have decided to divide an Igbo along ethnic line, along the religious line, and we are not going to allow them. So I am not telling you to come and join us or do whatever thing. Do whatever thing you are doing. Do not allow anybody to intimidate you. Thank you for that. Do not be scared of anybody. But I'm giving you that security today. Yes.
Thank you very much.
So tell people now, Kelu encounter Governor Eziokwu Melu. Thank God you are now on the screen and not on a phone call. Tell people your encounter with Governor Eziokwu, since no one make it threat first before we now go back to Ndobe and Abu Eziokwu. Kelu encounter Governor
after I watch Governor Eziokwu, I know the rules. I know. Thank you. I watched live Governor Eziokwu about me but to do mercy. I see Governor Eziokwu to nothing and you can mego. That na mmecha kwa disappoint and you can mego and more. Ndi you can #1. Onwe kwere sim puta bia kwoye m kwuru. I'm an adult and I have the right equal as far as I did not break anybody's fundamental human rights. Secondly, Muna Matthias, Matthias, now for their activities, I thought they had good intention towards the Igbo nation, but
Let
what I
me
see
ask you
is
again for the purpose of clarity. Let me ask you again for the purpose of clarity. They said that you were never part of them, that the only time you came to them was when you came to them for help. But you said that you have been following Matthias and whatever thing he is doing since 2021. I want you to clarify on that part.
I have proof to that. And before they removed me from the WhatsApp group, I have a screenshot of my membership on the WhatsApp group. So I have proof of that.
Oh, they even added you to their WhatsApp group.
I was part of the WhatsApp group. They added me when they found out that when I decided I start disagreeing with them with some of the activities, like Ijebawa made the attack. At that time, I were WhatsApp group on Ababia. Like I told Gecha now, I be asking Bawaya war. I know about the war. Like
saga. Antioge, all those things, okay, they take you one after the other. Antioge, him and I may not be to several. Who make this WhatsApp group, Hana no will all but they said that we are the one who are doing whatever. Antioge, though, on the WhatsApp group, you know, and one WhatsApp group.
My toge war na Facebook or blog or my toge blog or my blog.
Antioge, only 1 month to Mona, I na phone. So, all for him with them WhatsApp group,
she provide the other WhatsApp group.
Though Kaina Boyogu, Kaina Boy Eban Saga.
That WhatsApp group, with my brother also block.
My toge, when I told you like this before, follow us here. Oh, my issue of Matthias Miroji. All of you they want they block on my page. That I didn't use empty dark. It's all until Manchester. They use empty dark on my page. On my page, which can make I change the name to that gang. Can Facebook we can release my Facebook. Here now have empty dark lips. And then back then only post I told me Basara Zion Mbayawa, and that time this pressure of my case on the Oku can no be seriously like can wouldn't do based on Akadama because the man's training man Mababo Merske before Major Abuja. The case we don't have Benue State before Moje na the case had from Benue because the man be well connected within the police Benue. I have to go to the family. And spend the career go shop Magu Bidonishi after the case come was the Benin Republic from Benin Gawa Togo and came my brother because I was really depressed at that moment. Not just to recover now stars to Nigeria of recent Urube do anything now to Nigeria. Lose everything we as working. So can as na madu move even Unduka Dizika because this is Monica Benin Induka. Man activities Matthias to me. I'm an adult and don't ever madu sigi no talk or I have the right to walk out.
Yes.
So give me kind of me when I WhatsApp group now. Kono bawane wo.
I say into my man I for them may post on social media so I told me who had this so indicting. I for you no attack like speak against that person. But I ask you to my dear or jail Saba my dog. Just to be a social media, how will I
put that there and kuni here gana.
Yeah.
You know now look for
yes. Oh no, I bought the one way after like so singing Nandu Cameron can Nandu Cameron cause most of that thing just to call people's attention. Even when you don't even call emotional blackmail. He's just using emotion to attack people. Knowingly, most of the time the wrong, which we know.
Okay.
On the wrong. But you can't blame church for everything. I'm not talking on my own. Yes, I was a victim, but I try to use that my experience to encourage other men to speak out. Emego me interview with Lucky Udu. Emego me interview with Doni. Oh, yeah, now we won't get none of Lagos. I just came back from Lagos on Sunday. Emego me interview with Doni.
Chere when you onye amara nji sịrị m ezugbo ka ewe you don't shop today onye amara nji penlirite ihe nwe gaba n'iru o
so that
and that is where I want to come in before Igbo Channels TV ekwu okwu now Antioge Igbo Channels ọkwa ha sịrị anyị na ndị ụka ịma na-ekwu na m ife mba I will keep repeating it ha sị na ndị ụka na-ebehave ka terror and risk organization na ndị ụka na-ebehave ka ndị cult that you cannot say anything about ndị ụka or their pastors without them reacting and coming after you. Now I keep asking again ajụgo ma ntị oge mbụ jụkwa again kedu ife this guy imeru ha na-ajụrụ ya tikitiki now hụ na this guy part of you people he decided that what is happening is not what he bargained for. He decided to leave. And the Mwapul decided to exercise his right by pointing out what is bad and what is not right. Now, on fear that he wasn't supposed to talk about Matthias, he wasn't supposed to refer to you people. Only a moment make more than how many videos about this guy. Matthias address go this guy. Waja address go this guy. A lot of onye nke kusie n'isi onye nke gwọla ajụ buru n'isi every minute every minute now
small boy why is not TV
now Governor Eziokwu apụta agbana I don't know the interest of onye nke ahụ ịma na ha decide siri na ha brandigo onwe ha enemy of ndị ụka so if all na ha feel na ndị ụka dị involved ọkwa na mụ share video this guy yo I did not discuss anything with this guy
Exactly.
I only carried video of this guy etu ha sikwa eje ebulu video ndị mmadụ na-ebutekwa njekwa bụrụ video this guy ọkwa nye ka ha ji wee golu case this guy kịta wee decide ya na ha ncha niile ya anọ on his rock. My brother, let me advise you before you go n'iru. Let me.
The first I have for my video, I join a WhatsApp group now. See, or no, bro, this guy I ain't go be here. So I say no more, and that I'm not comfortable with the activities going on this platform anymore.
Let me advise you. You told me the dream you have that brought you to Facebook, right?
Yes.
Use this opportunity. Haji emegheri fa ha na-emegheri. Build your platform and pursue that dream. Forget about empty noise ha na-eme gị ha enweghị eze ha ji ata alụ. Ha enweghị ego ha and oge ọ na ha nwere eze ha ji ata alụ anya ka ya nọ.
Ha tagbuola n'anya especially
Because hello in an I told because nna gị gbara n'abalị a onwekwe ya bụrụ onye ma nkwu bụọ niile m gbara gị biko gbagharakwa m enwekwe nke m ji anya biko.
My brother ya hazi ekwu okwu apology because na ka ọ ghara ịdụ ka ya sị na anyị na-ego ka ị bịa ebe a iji ọsọ bịa ebe a to discuss your issue biko ka ọ ghara iwe chi niile gwa ha na-ezugogoro kwụọ ụgwọ ọ gaghị obi ka you are welcome.
Recognizing Pangere friend. What's up?
Block come na Facebook because I joke block come na Facebook block.
They create another account. One time
When another account now watching man on a come back now watching from my main page because I support all my movements.
My brother, thank
you.
Get level page you go now.
Just 2,000.
Wow, you got to go to small. Can he need to continue your broadcast? Anything you need now to make your broadcast now.
Phone man does mobile. Phone man just enough. My movement more than sponsor. Lucky you listen anytime you register the fund because it's just for widowers that work at the using one na single fathers. These two group of people and they are going through a lot. So I only specialize on these two set of people.
Okay.
Now, because I was one and I know what I passed through for some years. So I understand that they are not able to speak out, and I want to be their voice. That is just my goal.
That's a very good one. Imam, don't borrow the pattern of Matthias, your former master, to use it in this pattern. Pattern they have when you let the people can use their account number if you ask me.
Yes.
How to reward anybody. That is my own policy. Anybody can do it in their own way. If I want to help anybody, get your account. Except my account. Oh, when they want grace, how use that account to care? That's okay. I'm not against it, but I don't want to because also one of the things that guy name. Oh, yeah, give him a pele on any use kind of personal account there.
Na ya wajiri 100,000. Wo 100,000 no nye 10,000 kamata ya asinye kwa emo. Mana ndị mmadụ wetata ego. Ọ na-eburu the glory na asị na ya nwe emego nka na ya nwe emego nka. Mata ya asị nye ọkwa 100,000 ekwe na this platform.
Ngwa ka m gwa unu ka m reveal unu na ihe Matthias na-eme. Achọpụtara m this long time.
Reverend Eweniwe, brother, agwara m go whether na o nyere go 10,000 or na o nyere 10,000. The most important thing is that na hanwa as a group raise you 60-something thousand, which is not a bad thing. That is what they preach. They said if you have problem, go to your fellow man and not God. So you had problem, you went to them and they helped you. It is not a crime. So what is the wrong you have done by going to them, your fellow man, to help you? 58,000. The other day, Muna Reverend Jelo Ishida. I remember, as I speak to you today, I know that woman is over 2 million naira richer. I don't know the church she attend. I don't know the church she attend.
That's the spirit.
Till today.
Now this guy now, for the fact he been a man Eziokwu, because Eziokwu near my number, I'm sending 50,000 naira. To support your water.
Oh.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you.
so
Just
hear my number. I chat him. You I'm not going.
I'm Bodo Cyril. MC Dakli. Sodo Cyril.
Okay, so I'll give you 50 like na communist gonna go on. Then
I will use it and buy a new phone so that I'll be able to communicate very well with people. Thank you, sir.
that's fine. Yeah, no matter the people now mahabo.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Ojobia got church before. Now your miracle. So the father man the reverend area ya mugu. So obe biele no ge iri gwara ya ha from the buy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, na nata na be wo ko da na mu na eku ya na bia di bia puta bia si na nkuru kwa. Oh na na ji. Ani je ko nyiye na church kita.
I know some of them. So hinda ni the church in Napoli and the pastor Napoli and the reverend father Napoli organ. You watch over the real material now. Uno na ko na go master unu. Okay finish.
Ọ na-elu ibe a na-agba n'elu isi agụ aka ọ na-ele na chọọchị ya kịta.
Thank you.
Watch out very soon. Okay, we can mmiri omenala chukwu okike abịa ma. Okay,
very soon. I know the plan. I know small on the plan. Chena ndị mmadụ ka ya pụta. 3 people apụta go already. One guy na chat him. Ndị mmadụ ka na apụta.
Watch and see.
The guy with yes, sir.
Okay, 6
Wow.
boys. And do you think he will not do everything possible to create structures for those boys?
Exactly.
Okay, everything possible. Because so he has to build structures for them. He knows what he's doing. All these gullible
that is it. Also affect pastors
have you ever seen an NGO group of people started? Matthias
themselves and more because of Matthias.
That's what I'm saying. Now. I knew when this thing, I'm a pelam came in by then I was running my own before him. He came after my own.
Yes.
People who never pray this thing, not an obodo you bo.
That's it.
This guy has to test them out and bash get this time. Where I am one yana adia.
Onoshi.
Real built criminal. Onya wo clan style look ya Onya wish you kiri.
Onoshi.
But in my own people that ya. Who came here?
How can you make cause everything I made between us when you were safe. But I
don't know our problem. And may I work in all government problem. First, when the government against first, who don't know.
No way. No choice. I
want to make our they care. And what about so many video now? Port 1 or 2 hours, 6 hours traffic or something. What is happening? This is what is. Are we not in the country? Who told you? I want to win our government. But the other government, I'm governor send someone now, but I'm sending them mail video. We tell them the truth, but give again what is happening? We are stuck here for 3 hours. What is going on? Get out earlier. But I don't know we are criminal. The government was a criminal now. Because and guarantee I'm here. A hona yawa. A honi head. One time a member arrest. Akwa ihe de sitam mwe onye cho na we criminal o ga bi o ga defend there ihe de na yawa any day kwa o ga mkporo ozo that them that I want you to come and prove I'm no see defamation on court. Let's go to court. O ga gide court agawaya ana gwana people get cool down now if I get uka no nyola wo pastor nyola reverend father oh a criminal iku onyola no abroad no born through away. So that we get in America, up on America, in America, you are a born through away. And tomorrow, get truck and that's all like Aline, truck and be patronize, Zagi, Toigo, Katoigo, now born through away.
I'm telling you.
So, because, okay, I'm not going to get a guy like here, but because the most nana, because those nana, because this saga. I beg. Those goes on the Biko.
Do you know why I'm angry? Do you know why I'm angry? I came out, I stated what started this problem. None of you have ever said J Parky, go and apologize to this young lady who put it in Nine. None of you have done it.
Even if you watch a video,
apologize to this girl who put it in Nine. None of you know, I get Chikwaro. Nobody
but when I get that video, only gave video. Ask him why let him gaga brukweni mother woke mother galaga brigala cambe. Jia me here, not them condemn otum condemn nke papage. Condemn what because they for ha.
The truth, Reverend, the truth is that none of them want to say anything about that because they are not interested in saying anything about that. What they are only interested is in Okay. I understand where you are coming from, but I'm animal because of anger. That it's not that they don't know that what J Park did at Roma, but they don't want to say it for reasons.
No, Oderanya na that J Park me fe you Oderanya. We dey tell am but okay yano, but we come now.
Okay. Moment of truth, moment of light. Kapuru se ba po. Ezak must be a great force to reckon with. Else it won't be the topic. Man, the pastors must be a great force to reckon with. Every day on a page, you pastors, you go webe unga, Christians, you go webe unga. A class, not baga in a page. Are we not a great force to reckon with? Why are you always discussing about us? Every day, not baga in a platform, I complete nonsense. Matthias must be a great force to reckon with. It must be a great. Sometimes I'm on the way. I don't know if you are okay or not. I doubt if you are okay. I'm going to wait in Germany.
I know they talk to these people.
I don't know how you find yourself in Germany. If you do so, I just have to wait. Paper plane. Yeah. Look at somebody here will bring up on a page, pastor this, Nigerian pastor, Christians this. Are we not grateful to reckon with that every day you run program for Christians more than 20 times? Are we not grateful to reckon with? Eh? Adam Ajuga to do. You know, every mention of Alpha Matthias or not Takasaganya. I'm on a good Matthias or Balundo. I'm on a good Matthias or Balundo.
Oh, emotional blackmail all they use.
What is that emotional blackmail? Hanchali with the name. Imagine everyone not but wow, Matthias must be a great person to reckon with. Man, every day on a page, Christians, pastors, Nigerian pastors, Christians, pastors, Christianity. Does it mean that we are also grateful to reckon with? That is why you discuss us anywhere you go. Oh no, but you can't make one post without addressing a pastor.
Matthias make sense na any of his content without him and the pastor. He went for Hannah and the pastor na content Matthias. He can't even. Ya me pegodo look maka Muslim one. Na kwa me video the other day and matter. Ya me porn one dey see na the Muslim merenka. He mark on me kwa videos echi. Matthias machiemi no name. Omana Eastern region who almost Christian. So he's always attacking Christians to gain followers for himself.
Pedro, you are welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening, Eziokwu. Okay, my sister, good evening. What is that? Okay, my sister, good evening. One name, why?
Good evening, sir.
Take you, my beloved sister. Because of going, come join this life. Because that first, actually, this is one of this guy. I'm the wait time, but in time he's the only person that watch live here because I believe in my hey man, case Matthias pass go limit and that more I'm in South America, I'm in Brazil. Everybody can go now support you need Eziokwu na name. And this Eziokwu, this is my brother from Newi. Oh yeah, with the only guy, he was the one that joined my page. He just saw me and joined my page. So since that time, he has been supporting my page. Anytime of their life, I comment and I talk. So, but today is different life because I'll get one name why here. So I decided to, among all these guys, among all these people, my J pipe one at for here. I mean, I watch a man in the bottom, whether any of them, even though J pipe, I could remember last time. And by screenshot what J pipe told me when I chatted him. On him charge of 200,000. Oja solve issue in a page. So I laugh on that page. And we page him just make major giveaway. Now communicate with the so uncle watch any or reply him again or block or more. So but to my get us of this my brother Eziokwu, I join my page. You see, I look in Nigeria. So join my page. Since that time, I've been following him and I love what is in one day. As like Jisaka and Kiki Mama Kabiko one name, Kinema. Raise this ambition here that not get bring in them and all the too small. Guys, even the way guys keep us and don't you say on I was shine. Is that like we don't play with them because I want church to be sister with you and I'm my church and I'm going to go that you put that our brother anyone pattern no would like all this straightforward and then like people this I got to on once that time all last year in Nigeria, so I wanted to see him. Then I tried on my people, but they told me that I must stay in queue. That one surprised them. While every people I got you, I don't get this side, but I think 500, 100. Don't know this I walk and I say, oh, go sharp. But this one, I stayed on queue 2-3 days. They make him. I have to board my flights coming back to Brazil. But that's not what I'm here. Why I'm here is because of Ikele Godi. This my brother Eziokwu. Then your money, happen that I go to, I'm a lot of people that go to that now, Gigachon, as if in Kama, nothing Gigachon. I see now, body, but him all our people, that's the fact. That's our people for you. So I hope I appreciate you, Homa. You go ahead, Eziokwu. How I had a like Weber Hana Trahas, Eba Hana Guasa, Lequin cannot turn upside down. So, but one day, Mama, I didn't feel excited and I'm happy for the way she put that. They make a people matter what materials you do. What I only use a hunger na buy as an advantage. You know, the only 5,000 or saying 2 million. Would you name Mama Hoga join there? Okomenali and don't quite the same Oka come people for more as long as I'm concerned. You will pay a Oka. You are told me as soon as you do, if I come back to Nigeria, I maybe my own. But all him go here, before Maga, one why because I'm ihe J5 woman or that guy on the metaka on that guy meme na Africa kwọ ịgwa konto ihe omene onye ọbụla gbagara him even though this in name na he's trying all his possible best him is if as if na he feel the atmosphere the hot in here the hot even though mechara chimu ya chi dị involved which onye ahụ pattern nwaanyị Igbo baa ifu na dig na-enwe issue with because I don't mind you were friend to J5 before. Then can then wish you only home like you. Then not hear the apology. Then you start giving him what. The wife either make a peace or either make an attack. While together, two of them cannot even attack you. He will take J5 and one will tell me have or join her together. They cannot even bring you down. I don't he can have both together. So in way with him, but at least or chat or because able that DSC made your bar. Yeah, they got married. Then they make attack. I just watched her video a few days ago. Now my wife was in here. My wife just showed me that video. Now and on she onye na-agbakasị ọnụ onye karịa di ya. So but one day nwaanyị biko asị m kwuo aga m asị ihe ọbụla J5 mere gị biko my sister biko gbaghara ama m ihe na-adịghị awụ ihe ebe ọ ga-esi ewute ya ọ na-ewute ebe ọtụ gbaghara biko nwanne nwaanyị ụmụnne gị na-arị ozi gbaghara ya bikos ama m na o meka
Pedro o nwere onye dere m sị na Facebook nwere ike inye nsogbu na vidio maka ụmụazị ahụ na-ekwu okwu na background.
Okay, go to the palo. I go to palo. Magana palo mecha. All right. Sorry, my brother. Sorry for that. So system organ them biko dada biko you am na the guy o meka o pass limit you can pass kwa onye na oge mmere ji oyi but biko gbara were mma gị Peter were mma gị mega n'ụgbọ je park e karị je park karịa ihe na-akịrị egwu ihe so ọ je park ọ gara na Zion gbuo ọ pụta ebe a nụ m oge ọ na-asị na a na-akwụ eze ugo ha ụgwọ ka ha na-esi ya ụgwọ ka a na-akwụ ha na ha tinyere m na playlist a ka akwụọ m ụgwọ nwa ebe a na-akwụ ụgwọ Zion wee ndị ọ na-akwụ ụgwọ so my sister please ana m arịọ biko nwanne m nwaanyị biko for sake of na igosi na gị na ya nọ same level biko nye ka m na-arịọ gị nwanne gị nwaanyị biko.
My brother, I no go leave him. I no go leave him. Okay, otu na ya exam number 1. Ọ ga-abịa gwa ha ebuputere my picture my dad. Number 2, ọ ga-abịa kwuo onye shi na hospital here bupute nna m ka m chụwa the person hapụ ya. Ka m chụwa the person hapụ ya. That person is in a hospital when my dad nwụrụ na COVID. Yes, there a picture. Buru ya bunye ejigba ya wo. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m that person mere ya. Everybody ji wuru mpamu ka eji agba edegere na social media. You want to go? So ọ ga-abịa gwa m onye ya gwa ha na m the person ma hapụ the person chụwa ma hapụ ya chụwa the person. You want to go? Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe nna m nụrụ rape ụmụ. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe mma m nụrụ gbaa outside. Ọ ga-abịa gwa m ebe mpa m nụrụ pụọ m ọnụ. Ọ ga-abịa gwa many things o buputere na social media. Number 1, aga m Nigeria. I'm going to Nigeria. So I'm doing Nigeria one of my video now share there. I do your exam. Number 1 evidence. So I can complete this exam before I will leave him. So I'm no mena Now, Orula time to examine Nike. Orula time to examine Nike. I need that result. ASAP. Well, because all men accept the challenge. Ne kuno ka o shire. Na juna jujore necessary. I want them work out. I won't banese. And you would know we south. All of us, I want you soon when you want you. What? So, are we again? I get me ways in the band. I walk aside and young ways and also, and young ways and then I'm branding ways. I get me chan. Or Omuna. What I go? I'm not going to leave Ambo. I got my Nigeria. Hospital because they mentioned what doctor mo and them 250,000 naira for EKJ Park. So I get the amount all I hospital in take me. Now only channel
another thing I really understand your pain because that guy uppers limit here. Ezugo because you know na ario oge enwere eke m na like nche iro ga m na oge ewuta gị ma nkwuo ya mana ịma na anyị nwa ndị Igbo anya ma ihe anyị nwere and JPAC ọ kwapụrụ gị iwe and o mere gị iwe ahụ ibi ndị oga ihe eri ị na-achọghị ikwu ihe ekwe ya isi kwuo this area na-eme involve our people that nwụrụ anwụ. Okay, that particular area with them too much. I'm yes, when someone the provoke you will get any length you bring that person.
My brother, I actually resurrected that name again. Gadazi about that name. So I have to bring back the name again into the picture.
Okay.
Yes. Only watch if not does he mention the name.
All right. Thank you very much.
The name again.
Okay. Ezugo ademo awe ona wo te gwram. So Adam so ya wo ni is ni ga agbara je pipe. Yes, ngba biko obala get resolve all one and one. Mana biko every no onye ozo involve that biko. And then we are in our 2 days ago because people don't life that was 2 days ago. Everything all the when I go buy matter.
The background to get a noise in a make the thing in a make a noise. I don't know.
Okay. I didn't
don't worry.
Go outside days ago.
Okay, we both channel. Okay.
Yeah, so
my brother, I have a page. You got to can them to follow no again.
Okay. Pedro Michael TV. Pedro Michael TV. I watch live every day. You're magic comment. Can they find that matter too much?
Okay, Pedro Michael, follow me now.
I'm not watch live every time. My wife and I watch live. My wife and I live every
time.
Yeah, my
because when you're not about my work will be married, or be except by social media.
Good evening, everybody. I want to actually because sorry. Good evening, good evening, ma.
There was
my brother.
Mana mbokwa no video sorry to go back mbokwa bido nwe video mbia me mecha video hadalum block wa bomilo agwa m asị ha na this issue should have been resolved mbona escalate be like this and it's very easy to resolve. Humble yourself and tender apology even if you cannot provide onye that picture. Tender apology is very easy to resolve. At least in ha ga yotana. So ask ka boga sebia or go at that fault because as he bad, somebody must succumb before somebody must beg, and you that started it should be the one to end it first. Since so back to this guy Nwarate Gangano, but I don't want him to be there before but I actually mean on my personal problem with Governor Eziokwu.
personal problem with him. According to him, also no meeting before concerning problem when they visited Abuja with J-Park. When we got on Nandekano. But that was in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. So Hakushiva Kurumba, it ended that time. Then based on Nanyawa Patakwasi in Facebook now, who was there about Matthias and into Matthias Esiho Emete. That was what triggered Governor Eziokwu into a Potebia broadcast about him. I don't know the connection between Governor Eziokwu and the Matthias Ezak.
Actually, me connect the dot for that video. Only this boy on hammer behind the scene before we go. Because now it's been a long time for that guy. I feel that guy anywhere around him before or joining his live video before in any form. So why all of a sudden Oku keka di Oku si video keku si we kebu no. Mananke this guy that put post number that see how na melia si jide the man responsible. So for Okwilu like that, which means now onwe go Okwilu that warranted that.
Ogwari no you may disappear. Na mother I am fear born.
No me again that's the problem. No me and abazi into bully somebody call again. Because if you learn that he mad he may we are here call again. How that boy can't be do that thing before? Come on, when you before. Open at the boy meeting for help before meeting Matthias. Okay, we resolve why before he went to Matthias. Or no Sigonaka Matthias, but he are going to work since 2022. He had on email almost 2025. I don't email now. What is really the problem?
The problem one of the guy but I quote even Matthias in a mad woman. Now the only crime more committed.
Governor Nabotimpu Matthias.
I don't know. They are now confusing me every day by day. Yeah. They are confusing me every day by day. Onye nke ya we bring out na eme program if ya da no ndo ka ajugo nyu gbolode o mmụọ ka ị na-agọ we je na church ke me wedding so ndo ka ị na-akpọ ama m ife ndo ka meru but iwu onye ụka because you wedded in a church so ị na-akpọzi ndo ka ma na ntị oge we onye ụka ka esugo we onye ụka ka ngụwa we onye ụka ịghọtago yeah
nna African video Kongudida Mekulumbosia. Nsina Denda Nachi divert attention to the bone of contention. I'm a bone of contention on ground. So they should not erase brain na buba by na queserino. Nina ne make an biala kakamalo eba ye kweda we distract and the mother. Hane mi ha no. So if you bulu kwa Matthias obulo kwa no ku mmadụ na refill si na ihe mmadụ mere ya na mmadụ na Jebulo news, he decided that he never know like and started speaking against it. Mgo akutapita na about the guy work for speaking his mind. Onya was in silent.
Meanwhile, that is the same thing Hannah accused I of. He what I go.
And then that guy, Anon Kadaga, I should have on a WhatsApp.
Igbo channel say when I want to address somebody in 1 minute. Educate 3 times. It is so sad how you have reduced yourself to nothing. Is it not clear to you that you have just reduced yourself from where you are to zero? Whatever made you to reduce yourself to this level of emptiness is what I don't understand. It's what I don't understand. This is a guy who told you that the Governor Eziokwu threatened and a voice note. No with voice note evidence. You are here asking me, does he have any proof that he's just looking for emotional blackmail? And so what? If he needs money and he come to us to give him money and I feel like giving him money, are you going to beat me? Is it your money? I can give my money to anybody I want to give it to. The same way Matthias will emotional blackmail, we can decide to also contribute money for this one. It's none of your business. Unu ya n'okwu asị o ani Igbo ya etinwu unu n'ife unu na-eme mana unu agba unu chere mmadụ ka unu na-eme ani Igbo ya etinwu unu n'ife niile unu na-eme n'ife niile unu na-eme Jovi ga-enye gị 50,000 jee nukwu isi n'ala jee narị that money Jovi ka nyerie ya ndị ụchụ ọnụ ya amachi eziokwu mara ụma kpudo eziokwu ihu n'ala. Look at the topic we are discussing here. You are feeling so much ashamed to talk about it. Yeah? The question should be rather educate this guy or commit any crime by coming out to tell Matthias Nipo Nemadroma. If you educate can come out to tell pastors that Nifa Nemadroma and you feel that we were right. Can you deny this guy right? What if Matthias Nemadroma? If you can come out and say that na Christianity menga, what will stop this guy from coming out also to say that if you are a former Christian before, because I'm not okay, Ezugo, can you pick me? I want to ask you something. Let me block you from this page.
Ezugo, my brother. It's hard time you start bringing them up if possible.
No. That guy, if on a same reply to me, or when for the guy on a page, I think now ignore it. So now, as I was saying,
when to Matthias on a comment section, he go data, I go data. How join the life? Okay, let us educate them more because what they are practicing is not our culture. We know our culture.
My brother,
all the parties in my pocket here. But my own is like this. Like I said before, he can do whatever he wants. But Kemnaga like we can 5,000 naga convince and then when he matter. Oh, whatever 2,000 naga convince and then when he matter. That one he's trying to pass limit. My brother, everybody is entitled to worship what he wants. Ichi won your men like don't your men Ichi Christian Ichi because everybody who have short time in this world we can never forever. But Kemna not making sense so now we must stop Matthias because I Ndoka I cannot at a phone when you're now. You can never 2,000 naira because I don't know agree too much now. Hunger every year. Then if you send them money, then they can sign how 5,000 Apple church join nominal. Meanwhile, when you join the nominal, all quite the same thing now because I'm going to put it now nominal. I'm not going to put it nominal. They opposing on the place family. So if they want to come, if anyone nominal not at this platform tonight, yeah, only when that work actually is when I get data. He join their life. Can make any do education. You can practice what you want. You are entitled to practice what you want, but don't try to convince others in a wrong way. Not too bad. I don't agree with that one.
Na emotional blackmail because na ha turn out ego before. Get back in a government Eziokwu lie na ndị Zion. Mie ha chochorocho, mie akụ Zion chimi ko ego die na akpa. Ha wee pụtata akpụ eriwe. Ha nwa na protect ha na defend fa. Anyị na-agwafa na ndị a wee ego ka ha chọwara enye ego. Ha wee pụtakwa ịghọtago. Ha wee pụtakwa ka ha bịakwa side emi wee bịakwa Samson ugwu ịnalụ obu unu tata amụghọ m na your mom ka your father ka ihe ebu ụzọfụ mana onye ọnụ achọghọ m ịkpọ onye ihe ebu ụzọfụ afa ife ide elu m ebe a don't forget to tell it the first person ị yapụ na ịnalụ achọghọ m ime onye ibu ụzọfụ before I go
if you go ndị na ska bring get up ka educate him if you go have one happen as long as that thing now as long as that thing abụrụ ihe ha chọrọ enu they will always kick against it. They will always kick against it. Just check one day, take your time, go to Igwe Credo page. If not, they are not fighting Igwe Credo because Igwe Credo, they are fighting Igwe Credo because Igwe Credo now support on her hate. Igwe Credo like on her hate. The same Igwe Credo was the same one when the influencers say na ha chokere and tell her no, one of her go no, Binya Hamoto. But all her celebrities say they are all how promote a brand. Igwe Credo could na video ya. Man, all these people, but they would like to have deaf ear to eat. Now, be hard the important. This young man, I know, but this rather gang, go and Bobby and Maple, a religion crisis, Potana, and why see them as responsible. Hamanya can have for ya. Not you to say that boy, I send you who you quite important. Obuno or no to hang this guy 50,000 like that. The whole Facebook I'm an here. The whole Facebook I'm an man and a reverend Patanya the guy 50,000. Meet you on Nkahaga. Mana papa hana every day na enye mmadụ ego even onye na-achọrọ ịnala ego of course ka ịnara 10,000 amụrụ more 10,000.
It's very, very bad. All is too bad.
Even this guy could not 10,000 ka ọ nyere ya. So we kept our budget 100,000 out of ego na ndị mmadụ. Si no 100,000 na win 100 souls or 10 souls to his people using emotional blackmail. Ịchọzi ikwu ekwu echi asị gị na-enye gokwa ya ego. Na-enwekwukwa ego enye gị. Ewele ata ya gị down ị na-anwụ. Every day on a mepe branch. Every day on a mepe branch. Kezi ihe dị iche na church. Kezi ihe dị iche na church.
The fact remains that our people are very, very far from reality. Because the problem I want as in the Igbo, our church, that is one thing people don't understand.
But ndị na-agwakwa na achọkwa ndị
no church problem. Church akwonye jego aga na church gata collection. Akwonye jego aga nye tithe. Some people who be doing the mafu get tithe. Onye ọbụla mana problem I when by government allow that place ni. But
even the tithe is not by force. But
they have never even one day cross our border. Sometimes my brother, it's unfortunate. Honestly, problem I when I do church, somebody may pray church, yeah. Then I go and church here. Yani church here got that place. Then I beg you church. Somebody see account, see ego. All we like it ego. Then but Matthias just raised a lot with the agent here. They're pursuing church people, church, oh, begging the Zion, begging the Zion. Zion, I bag a few more. Well, like, I can say,
on a happy on Zion,
Zion. So you're
a happy bear Zion, or happy bear Zion, or can I wear Luigi?
Okay, that good. Ndara choka ise nwaanyị nnukwu okwu.
Because hapụ ya ọnwa ya na-ewe kesi ọ bụ na kesi a ebi by examination and apology. That's the only thing you have to case.
Achọrọ ka ndị ọrụ adịdo ndị ọcha kedu ka ọdụ ka JPAC si wee nweta that picture.
It's been a long time I've been on social media, right?
Yes.
The bank Biafra na lawyer. Then when a lot of Biafra members, that time in Puluru out, I pop, but Puluru out. Then when a lot of people that doesn't like me, you want to go? And then JPAC has on the Biafra, so the IPOP. You want to go? So that time I pulled out, they started attacking me. Then I had to defend myself. What I go? So and when a lot of people enemy already. What I go? By then they were Biafra. So when I can't because here I had joined I can Palace of Justice. What I because Tiana will only get with the all they want is somebody get with it. So behind joining the can Palace of Justice. I'm not now. The grandmasters in the annual will get back in Palace of Justice. Now JPAC and Abamu word that Imam they create content. I'm up to okay like my show came back to Kahun here, okay, what all they are, Tom, you know, Tom, now. This thing everybody they now stand up, look. JPAC can do my content. Shower. I'm not what you know. Banko JPAC. My man see JPAC media on Banco on the page, yeah. And every day this guy now, not gonna know, you know. So people are being brought to my attention. She don't radio that. Oh, one day she na Palace of Justice. So when somebody they follow her, not na this place. Oh no law ground my dad didn't know. You want to go? Oh, he said which is violation, which is actually but when I didn't file that petition here. How come that a lot of people are wrong? That if I can get somebody who read the picture, that is how the person I cannot to solve their license here. First and foremost, man has to at the hospital. So how like a mother I just made somebody accused. And a lot of patients now, a lot of workers now are here. Now with that particular person who said a picture send outside. What are going mean? So before my happy to there are many things anything iron. So you and the man I say, okay, I'm doing it. They are talking rubbish. Now you go get tired because I will not. So I got no man look how he made the place Hana Chomacho. Yawrupa Bagama Naga Jepako to Laya. Wow, one from my man. So I don't know I'm why would you
oh, kiss that, but kiss that when I touch you. Kiss that.
I don't need a woman.
Upper than Ghana, I can't. But I'm going down. As you walk and the Buddha and the bicycle, sorry. So, as you know, one of my enemy is in the picture who sent that J-Pack is Potagia. I hope one of the picture got posted. J-Pack put a live program like this. You my father now about war. You my father on the phone now. That phone may be a lot in a minute because I saved that video. Even at that time, I'm a face got in the palace of their face many group. They all got the minor case. But then to manani hopala ya huni na nibakwa. You what I go? And when I end by in the wash, what they heru to a heburun na ye making the boya. Mbahu, erube menju, because Mahabe, you did fago, you did shago, not board yana, this thing, and no, ne kuka, original, the bashina, on a came back to mana, Yadikana, Tuzi, Ebe, Mahapu Godia. So Erula Mona. Actually, I'm going to have a woman to went to Natoya. Who was an area last and money. That is when I came after him. So people are making happen. Then and I think, man, J-Pack or coming with J-Pack or coming with investments. J-Pack or citizen. And when I want J-Pack, you citizen. J-Pack or Katim gas school. J-Pack or Katim, I'm going to have J-Pack jealousy. I am revenging on what somebody did to me. Then I would jealousy. J-Pack put an underside on planning it. In them with poison. What are these people are so so on your collect go from J-Pack be defended. Man, what you gotta collect them. You want to go? What is you cannot have to face the into the face. My ticket to go to that J-Pack. And we see any of that thing. You want to go? So even if for us target my code to like a giga putano. You want to let anyone with a cost to settle. So many you no one are inside the boss. She no ya onye man and anya picture namu ya bupute ya. Ebo ho no ya hu that the ndeza no chori poison onya poison over ya bupute. Mo na onye obodo na court na. I just speak to you now. Over 1 billion naira msule akwo ka the finish e wesiri ego. So I am ready for all of them. What onye obodo the babu pute this wanted list. I sued him. Go and ask him. So all these things I am ready for them. Anyhow, the cats go, they cost you money. So I won't anybody put a home. Sheni onye a picture namu. Ya bunu ya. Why are you pam war? So you know, I get him again and me J-Pack or J-Gole. J-Pack or J-Gole. Mandi wanyu mwoke ndara ata eri onu na pon we ha so ga potash J-Pack what is the problem ye he putara osomoku a ha to hiku ya owo gechi na pare mmadu ogechi na ogechi biko kwuchi so okay iri omu biko na nkwuchi ihe ka na ebu okwuta let everybody begin to see the military ban of people what oh yeah, come on. People not doing here. Okay, I do. No, I don't go need J-Pack. Number one, according with the evidence, I'm not able to lie. Number one, okay, make oh, I'm going to show because I got the evidence. Okay, evidence. Okay, evidence number one start from Ikea. And you episode there. All my number one evidence.
Okay, too funny. The fact is remain that me our first time, frankly speaking, me our first time one who the motive of your movement. Frankly speaking, I'm from Kinabana and don't take it back in a Holding back. It's all this while you're on your own. I'm not target in a check you want a bundle idea. So, but all this with all the things from you tonight, that is show that J Park is still have a long things to do. Yeah, when I check at this issue, resolve or he has the capacity. So those people that follow him.
Apart from that, that guy is so annoying.
Sorry,
that guy is so annoying. So even they would take carry chamo afas nete fanyo ba J Park because of normal J Park no wa. Onya batara fe juwe ba no dey fa so nya na would carry cham. E what I go otherwise you came out on Facebook e na akụkọ ndị mmadụ isi ọnụ ekuru onye isi ọnụ ya na onye ananụ ikuru onye akụkọ onye isi ọnụ ya na onye ananụ ikuru onye akụkọ onye isi ọnụ. How do people enjoy living their life like that? You came out to apologize to onye obodo and ndị mejọrọ nọrọkwa ebe ahụ na-akọsụkwa another commotion. Ịghọtago? You are there to apologize to ndị mejọrọ. Nọrọkwa ebe ahụ ị na-emekwa that same apology na-akọsụkwa another commotion. Banyekwa no ndo ka dị n'ihu go bịa bụ ike imere. You are apologizing to these people. You want to cause another fracas. With ndị na-apologize to with ndị ọzọkwa who live life like that. Onye na-ebi that kind of life.
Una no dey know my anger. Una no iwe maybe this that one stand abọ mmadụ nọ. Imanga problem ashi bido. Ọ pụtara bịa mgbe ahụ obodo lesman bịara ya ihe this wedding ya. I don't have any problem if you want to make peace with your amulets man. It's none of my business. The thing is, why are you adding that? Ndoka usuru gi, ndoka dirigi ke wote ya amulets man ke buo, ndoka dirigi ke wote the lost bleaching sun ke buo, ndoka mereginka. Did you return all the money ndoka nyeregi? Okay, and you then return the money. Then you get make it peace, Siki. Own up to your bullshit because how I go, Meregi, that go ahead, like that one up or I'm a social person, she am all over you, home, go back there, go collect ammo. Because he talks, he only again on one secret, all I could have got you around in Abalia. He talks carelessly. Oh, what are no fucking secrets? Young boy, I give you nothing for the. I shouldn't get to one more. I'm not from out of no new poo over. My boy, I want you when I'm I got 1 yen. That Abara who reduce 1 yen. What a Arushanika Arushimpa, semi Nike. Arusha so many Arushimpa, semi Nike. Oh my, what they are aware. So I can also summon him there. Go get joy on your book. How about that? Now, if you have your people, yes, now, Nanda Zion, but I get you to do natural kids, your points in Nanda. This thing you're looking for, you get it all. Oh, Imaro,
I know that video because I watched it on your niece that time.
Go and watch his apology video to but let's
watch that apology video now.
Watch his apology video that started the whole problem.
The video have just
go and watch
it. Because although I'm important.
Go and watch it if an accused, not even only that. Yeah, may video in the middle of video, yeah, may accuse and ask you what the poison there. Get the dirigi when and where.
When he for accusable, and I am and
this is what started the Second World War between me
also with that address, address, arrest. Why not when you na suggest all those things?
How can you?
Yeah.
I don't come aware of. I don't come aware of.
He was the person instigating arrest of all these people. He was the one who wanted to use some people go where no personal oguya. Now the same thing back on in the other way around now.
All of them, like this wagri and boom wine before you make contact. This wagra. Before you make content, you boost or go to that woman and be now one there. That wagra won't be now one there. Yeah, but only already 500,000 got collecting. Stay your lane because J-Park want to use you. You get the correction because they want it. I didn't call you. You started to want to defend what you know now about. Come put this idiot coming in then I'm ready. Because I would along. I don't know then I'll be going on Facebook. I know monetize my page. I know they make money. Trouble I like. Trouble can I know they each moment again. Simple. You cannot come, Kishina, when I discuss such thing with the J-Pipe. Can you tell me that? You know who tell? Yeah, they're good to know what could have been so but on a threat in dog about up to the day before yesterday. This Neki Henke Neki. While the animal about the war. Then a threat with Daisy. Because him and Onyeka the weak. You look for the weaker vessels. You cannot challenge on your record again. It's again. I'm going to give a channel. I'm going to go to the page.
Atakulu Gomia and Kahan. Egosu Gomia.
Nagabalaga, Niheme, Nechon, Papa, Otoro, no one about Taraya, his dance. Otoro, and he can lie. This guy can lie.
I saw tell people don't mention you that melee video. Go see now. About
he can lie just to make sure that he. I mean, asking about the TV. Now you are going here chicken.
I saw two with them. Hacha Fuzena, Mua Biaquadi, Dia Baby, and when stabbing a problem. I'm dear. I'm that very day. So more witness. A witness me here in the melon. So what they hire a column that station that they them surprise. So any day have that the ready Eziokwu. Have to Eziokwu.
Thank you. Have not to ask it to trust the because I am a woman. Una treat suppress them. Come back to Siano. Una putan, unu gemen.
Onye suppress that is one thing about Konye nko with the part no J-Park very close need they wear that now. All go why now. So only at least it na this thing here kuro nwe Eziokwu because you come na this you are too much. Nko J-Park.
Every problem
Okonu kosha pụta kịta obere akwa chọwa ndị ọya eburu ebo n'isi.
Every problem with the one. I'm most times I put a send the enemy has some video.
Okonu konde pastor. Okonu konde Okonu konde now home. If all that people wagging on the party got say he gets simple. And the worst part would have no at least take contact. Moten don e mera the part. Moten don e remote. So for now, okwesi cool down. This issue ya no get ya na. Oya okwesi iwe ko man o man ko. O take not ni oge mgbaghara say that biko. Mgbaghara am na emego m ihe ọjọọ. Ebe m na emego nga am na ebuta go picture ndị kwezi buta. We are all human beings. But what can they add?
Brother, iwe mewu. Awudika ndeka ahụ ihe ndị ewusi ihe ndị m na-echetere ya o mere mụ. Iwe mewu. Why come telling people that ndị Zion shigi onye ndị akpọta enye poison? O be ihe ejidiri bido. Hapụgodi ndị na remind ya na o mere mụ. Ebe iwe mewu, you left us in peace. Why are you coming to use your Azoto in lies? Imachi nkukobido. Yeah, nkuto like a mother the walk. I'm only reminding people what he did to me. What did the contention? Oh, put on a video, yeah. more megaropoto less man apology. Oh, this guy, nobody told him to do anything. Who will be problem? The thing so many that everything to me here destroy here. I will leave Zion alone because so think about Zion email poor. You leave people can always joke. Then on your exactly. This it was everyone on that Zion lost song. It should everyone know. Because if that guy came out, maybe the people that I want to Zion. Now, that means every copy of this person had it. She's on what is she do? So that he will send the red signal right away. Yeah, the car. Other side, I will not feel no bad. But you coming from an inside, like somebody there, I stand there. Nah, okay, we know that person at that Zion. Okay, you can matter how powerful anything. Yeah, check is the outcome. Next time, you have to know something. Get who you stay away. I will be one now that person. Eziokwu now, but now about to me. People get believe we are more than anybody. Yes. Now this my uncle who Obunishina Potana. People can show you know get about my whole no we have one about but when inside start telling a story, get a mother the banana something occurred. That means you're telling the fucked up truth. So I don't go into that narrative. Yeah, this is Eziokwu. Yeah, stop lying against people because you want to seek favor. The same favor, if you're about to get that kind of just seek it from us. Why your life would you too complicated? Why can't you stand one place and speak the truth? Not to Ariashi. However, when people are there, the team let people state the facts. Military ban of people. This is not the problem. J-Pack is a problem. J-Pack is not the
no J-Pack will problem one day or two Matthias surely hide now go J-Pack how we may also how we are and don't enjoy one company but I know local na hampano or na how market. It's not as if na how even medicine we ban the guy is very manipulative. The guy is very manipulative. If you go to watch him manipulate Madunine, go on a field with pity. Yeah? But he knows what he's doing. Okay, look at Zion first son, a caution wire, Mama made video. People also to win it, go away confused about Zion first son. Not because of Zion first son and not because of MC Hallelujah. Zion first son will be a wedding there. No, I'm not in the matter you went on against them. What can we for wedding Yemelu? What can we for wedding Yemelu to do with Ifigwa and Hallelujah?
Well, I don't blame him because MC Hagre gave him the opportunity to speak. So I don't blame him. What do you mean? Because actually when you don't give rooms, people will not understand the mission. So he has every right to hold anything to climb. Because I J-Pack will not have right to open mouth to talk rubbish. You what so I blame Gahomea. You what again salutation is not love. In my actually, when you give Madonna when you're good morning. People like my Hebrew know me. But anytime he kill a good morning, they're working. How are you? You actually good morning, Bute, how are you? How are you, Bute? Hey, long time I haven't seen. But already nothing will come into it. So okay, good morning, J-Pack, how are you? You what I go? So yeah, with the thing. So I with the thing, I blame whom also J-Pack now, but if J-Pack making calm. Now maybe his I may be you. I will circumcise J-Pack. I will promise him.
Why?
Brother, sorry to overtalk you. Go ahead. Sorry,
good evening, ma. Good evening, ma. Good evening, sir.
Legit, you are welcome.
Yeah. Antioquia, I greet you, ma. Good evening. How your side?
Good evening, Saudem.
No, watch him with the request. Akụkọ Jepak akarịa n'iru akwụkwọ eziokwu. Akụkọ Jepak akarịa mana ebe ọ nọ mee mistake n'ime ife ihe na-abụ ịrapụ nwunye ya ka nwunye ya bịakwa tinye ọnụ na datin.
I like mgbe ahụ o ji kwuo okwu ka ndị mmadụ mata onye ọ lụrụ. O nwere brain. Unu ekwula na unu regret ya. I like it.
Okay. Well, akwụkwọ akụkọ m kwuo because abụrọ m gị nwa mana asịkwa m kwuo amasị ka like the other of our brother kpu okpu ọ na-ayọkwa gị sị gị gbagalụ mana ọkwara akụkọ m kwuo m asị gị gbagalụ because ife mere emeela mana Jepak ọ nwụrụ ụdị mmadụ ọrụ otogo nsobere n'iru akwụkwọ he speak from the both side of his mouth ọ dị eme ka nwoke bụ isi ime ife ịkwụrụ one side mana nọ ibe ka ịkwụ ọ bụrụ ekwukata ebe a all of a sudden gbakọta ebe a na-akọ very confusion. One thing not the good that ijikọta isi mmadụ na-abụ kpakọọ ha na-abụ ọnụ azụ na ọkpakọọ ya ọ gabakwa o jikọta isi ndị mmadụ abụọ ọkpakọọ ha ọnụ it's not good but ọ bụrụkwa mma masị gị nga hapụ that guy because ọ dị na ka ọ ya adị ọ dịgo ka ọ ya adị ọgwa ihe mma chọrọ ikwu ọ bụrụ na ị ga-arafụ ya gbaghara ya just nke ahụ aga because all committee and it's not helping the matter. It's not helping the matter.
Okay, thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. Dalo. Mahomo, maybe the guys will say Antioquia. Among maybe the guys were muta bundle of confusion now. The other go, I don't know. Okokosi onyi isi ọnụ, okokosi onyi isi ọnụ, okokosi onyi isi ọnụ, okokosi onyi isi ọnụ. Ka esi ụzọ ọwụ na ịhọ mpama. Kedu ife Jepak ya emenwu anyị na ọwụ na ịhọ mpama. Na only talk you fit talk, you can't do Jepak anything. Gụnụ ka ọ na-emenwu anyị. No be only talk you dey talk. He never collect enough woto were akpagharị eji achọ ndị ya enyere ya aka onye eji na-achọ ndị ya enyere ya aka wee nụ ọgụ okotara you can't do Jepak anything ụnụpụta ụna ahịa nọkọta gwa mmadụ na ife ị na-eme adụrọ mma gwa mmadụ na ife ị na-eme na ọ dụrọ mma ụna ahịa eme biko I have to end this broadcast now something came up tomorrow is another day ụbọchị taa amaala anyị ma signing out